Hello and welcome to Vlogmas 2018. So today is the 1st of December and we're starting Vlogmas off with a bang. I am moving into an apartment. I'm moving out of my parents' house. This is gonna be my first time living away from home. I have a really cute studio in the city. And I'm gonna cut now to Tuesday earlier this week, which is when I got the keys, and give you a little empty apartment tour. Hi, hello. I'm currently standing in my apartment. This is really weird. I literally just picked up the keys and walked in and have just been standing in here opening cupboards and looking at things just like, I live here now. So I thought I'd give you an empty apartment tour, which I did not think I would be doing for the start of Vlogmas, but here we go. So here we have the door, so glamorous. This is when you walk in. Look, I have a little intercom thing. This is so exciting. It's the little things in this apartment that excite me. Here's the living area, the kitchen. I'm in a studio, so it's all in one. As you can see, there's some remainder of the last tenants on the carpet. I have a little bit of a view here. I have some roller blinds. From here you can see the kitchen as well. Got some little plugs. I'm assuming that would be for if you have a TV. I do not have a TV though, so we will see what goes there. I also brought a few bits and bobs from my online shopping that I had delivered to the office. I brought that with me. It's my camera bag, my keys. Oh my god, I have keys and I have a sink. And oh my gosh, I wish I was vlogging just before, because I was opening all the cupboards and I was like, oh, what's in this cupboard? Must be like a rubbish bin. But wait, I opened it. It's a freaking dishwasher. That definitely did not say that on the listing, that it had a dishwasher, so bonus. I have my little stove top and my oven, my fridge, and a microwave, which is very exciting that it comes with all of these things so I don't have to buy them. It's got lots of cupboards as well. I opened one cupboard before though, and it has room spray that someone left behind. So I'm just gonna leave that there for now, don't know what to do with it. And here is the bedroom. So for a studio, I actually don't think this is that bad on size. So I kind of have the separate bedroom, which I can close off if I want to. So these glass screens come together. This is very hard to film. I need to get a camera woman with me. Tara, where are you? I have a little window here, which will be really nice to give a little bit of light into my bedroom, although it doesn't have a blind. That's a bit concerning. Here is my tiny wee wardrobe. It's very small. It's a lot smaller than the wardrobe that I have at home, but it's a good height. Hopefully I can like stack some things up here, get a shoe shelf in here, hang all my clothes up, and then potentially put a clothes rack in there as well. So I've got a little bit of extra space. Over here we have the bathroom. So exciting. And it's pretty standard, toilet, sink, hello, and it has a cool, exciting cabinet. This will be fun to fill with all of my skincare products. I'm quite excited about that. We've got a towel rail, which has a switch on the bottom, so I think it might be heated. And I also have a washer and dryer hidden behind there, and some extra storage around there. Also behind the door, there's the shower. It is a very tiny bathroom, yep. What I have to do right now is measure up the space to see what I can actually fit in here, because I don't want to bring a whole bunch of stuff and then be like, oh, JK, it won't actually fit in here. So I've got to measure now.
Where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there? Are you listening? Is it too late?
I'm just about to leave now and scout out the second elevator for when I move in on Saturday. And yeah, I guess I'll see you then when I'm moving all my things. So welcome back to Saturday. It's moving day. I've got my mum and dad helping out and my auntie who's bringing over a van, and I'm hoping everything's gonna fit because there's a lot of stuff. This is what my room currently looks like. So I'm taking this bed, I'm taking my vanity, and I'm taking this desk. I've emptied out my shelves a little bit, and I just realized I also need to take that rubbish bin. We managed to fit the couch through the doorway. Hi Mum. We got the bed in and Mum's prepared us some muffins.
Yay.
We now have everything in the apartment. All of the boxes. But priorities, we're setting up the internet first.
Call it off. Let it go.
I've officially moved in. Oh, I'm a bit dewy, aren't I? That was hard work, bringing all of that stuff up. Many floors. I mean, we had a lift, but you still had to carry it from the car park to the lift, and then up the lift, and then to the apartment. And everything's looking very messy right now, but my mum and my auntie did make my bed, which was very nice of them. And what I'm gonna do now is clean my bathroom floor and also clean my shower, because it's got the last tenant's hair in the drain, which is a little bit disgusting. There are two things that wouldn't fit in the car, the vanity and desk. So Mum and Dad have gone back to get those while I do a little bit of cleaning. It's amazing how much stuff you realize you have when you go to move, and I didn't even have a house. I just had a bedroom and I still have piles of stuff here. I have attempted to organize my bathroom cabinet. This could change, but this is what we have so far. And I now have these kind of empty boxes, this one and this one. And there's still so much to organize, oh my god.
Time to go. Engines running. We're on our own. Running on.
So the time is 5:22 and I've kind of done a decent amount. I've organized my cupboards and I've kind of organized this area. I still need to unpack that backpack. Got my couch set up. That needs to go down to the bin. This kind of stuff here as well that's not super organized. And this still needs tidying up, because I feel like I need a set of shelves, because I have all these cute little boxes and trays and nowhere else to put them. I've put my makeup together. I've got a cute little corner there. Actually, I could probably put one of my silver trays over there. But I've also put some bags up here and like put my jumpers in here and put my towels and tea towels, some clothes, tidied all my shoes, and this should not be here, but you get the point. I really want to edit this vlog and get it up tonight though, which is a little bit ambitious, so I'm gonna sit down, start editing, and also have some chips. I just opened up these nice chips that my auntie got me, and then I realized I don't have any pegs, so that's something to get tomorrow. So my awesome mum made me some lasagna that I'm gonna heat up for dinner. I'm currently editing away. I really want to upload this vlog tonight, so I think I might leave it here. I'm probably gonna eat my lasagna, watch a cheesy Christmas movie on Netflix maybe, and enjoy the first night in my apartment. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you're subscribed if you enjoyed it, because next video is going to be a homeware haul, and the video after that could be a vlog from Tara in Australia. If you're new to our channel, I run this with my sister and she lives in Australia. I live in New Zealand, so you should definitely subscribe because I think we're pretty cool. Yeah, so it could be a vlog from Tara. I'm also going to Kmart tomorrow to do some more shopping for the apartment, so I'll definitely vlog that as well. And then later this month I'm going to Melbourne to visit Tara, so there'll be more vlogs there. As many vlogs as we can possibly make during Vlogmas. We're both working pretty much full time, so it's going to be a little bit difficult. We're not going to be able to upload every single day, but we're trying to do as much as possible. So make sure you hit that like button, give us some support. And yeah, I think I'm yelling. I hope I'm not disturbing my neighbors. I have to think about these things now, living in an apartment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!